Sup YouTube, today we're playing Jumping Simulator with Nerf. Sup, doing vid. Sup, doing a vid. As you can see, the tower right up here. You guys want to see me jump to the other building right here? Don't know how much you have to jump or go. Okay. I have to drink some jumpy juice. So close to getting out of this thing. I hope I have enough jumps just so I can go back up to this tower. Well, not this tower where I'm going right now, but you get what I'm trying to say. Yeah. Dang it. Didn't even jump. Oh god. If you hear something in the background, it's my brother playing the PS4 once again. Gosh. And for the PS4, my brother's getting a mic. Where the heck is my friend? Probably jumping around. Yeah, maybe too. Let's try to go for that building right over there.
Did you know this building is that tall one where there's a lot of like windows?
Don't listen to what my brother is saying. He always tries to talk in these videos.
That thing is the most.
This guys will be a short 4-minute video.
No. And my brother died. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm such a noob.
He always dies when he comes to a building.
You get electricity when you're super quick, you stupid.
Hey, I'm not stupid, you're stupid. Go for that one. The white one. Wah! He's getting dying, guys. He always dies.
Bye guys, see you in the next video. This is a little short video that I guys wanted to show you.